Mga migs, let us have this equation 3 raised to x plus 3 raised to y plus 3 raised to z equals 39. We have to find the values of x, y, and z. In our solution, we have to express both sides as product of two factors. In doing this, we consider the first term of the given equation 3 raised to x. We take that outside the quantity. But notice that we also divide 3 raised to y by 3 raised to x and 3 raised to z by 3 raised to x. That is because if you are going to distribute 3 raised to x inside the quantity, the original terms will result. For example, 3 raised to x times 1, that is equal to 3 raised to x. 3 raised to x times this second term, you can cancel 3 raised to x. So what remains is 3 raised to y. This one multiplied to this term inside the quantity. So you have to cancel 3 raised to x. What remains is 3 raised to z. So that goes to show that there's nothing being changed at the left side. We just take this 3 raised to x outside the quantity to be able to express the left side into a product of two factors. Then the right side 39 is written as 3 times 13. So this serves as our equation 1. Since both sides are expressed into two factors, we can use 3 raised to x and 3 at the right side. We can equate them. So we have 3 raised to x equals 3 raised to 1. This 3 has a power of 1 or is understood to have a power of 1. So in this equation, we can equate x equals 1 or we can equate exponents because the bases in both sides of the equation are the same. So we just get the value of x which is equal to 1. Now, equation 1 becomes 1 plus 3 raised to y over 3. Why 3? Because we just found that x is equal to 1. So this is 3 understood to have a power of 1 plus 3 raised to z over 3 equals 13. Now, in this equation 2, we have to subtract both sides by 1 and rewrite. So we have here 1 minus 1 at the left side and 13 minus 1 at the right side. That is because we want to get rid of this constant at the left side. So we applied here subtraction property of equality. So this one becomes 3 raised to y plus 3 raised to z all over 3. That's because in here you added rationals with the same denominator. So all you have to do is take the sum of the numerators and copy the common denominator. So this is the result. Now, in this equation, we have to apply multiplication property of equality so that the denominator at the left side can be cleared out. So we have to multiply both sides by 3. So you will get 3 raised to y plus 3 raised to z equals 36. So this is now our equation 3. Now, we have to repeat the process in equation 3. That is, we take or we have to express both sides of the equation into product of two factors. So for the left side, we have taken outside the quantity 3 raised to y. But we divide 3 raised to z by 3 raised to y. That is because if you are going to distribute this 3 raised to y inside the quantity, you will get the same terms, 3 raised to y plus 3 raised to z. So there's nothing being changed at the left side here. Then this 36 is written as 9 times 4, and this 9 can be written as 3 squared. So we can equate now 3 raised to y and 3 squared. Okay, this equation, then we get y equals 2. We equated the exponents because in this equation, the bases in both sides are the same. So y equals 2. So we have this equation. 1 plus 3 raised to z over 9 equals 4. So we have here 9 because in this equation here, we found that y is equal to 2. So 3 squared, that is equal to 9. So in here, we have to subtract equation 4 by 1 and rewrite. So subtracting both sides by 1, again, we applied here subtraction property of equality. So we get this one. 3z over 9 equals 3. Then, multiplying both sides of this equation by 9, so that only 3 raised to z is at the left side. So we get this equation, 3 raised to z equals 27. Then rewriting this 27 into a power whose base is 3. So we have 3 raised to z equals 3 cubed. Again, since the bases in both sides of the equation are the same, or the exponential forms in both sides of the equation have the same basis, so we can equate the exponents. So we have z equals 3. Okay? Therefore, our x is equal to 1, our y is equal to 2, our z is equal to 3. Now let us check. Replacing x by 1, replacing y by 2, and replacing z by 3. So we have this one. Then 3 raised to 1 is equal to 3. 3 squared is 9. 3 cubed is 27. 3 plus 9 is 12 plus 27. So the left side is 39, which is equal to 39 at the right side. So we exactly got the values of x, y, and z. Thank you for watching.